Hello everyone, this is the last concept of our unit 2nd thermodynamics. The third law of thermodynamics, or it is also called as Nernst heat theorem. Myself Bhaskar Ankush, I am working as assistant professor at Rasika College, Devni district, Latur. Today we are going to see what is the third law of thermodynamics or Nernst heat theorem. The third law of thermodynamics was developed by the chemist Walther Nernst during the year of 1906 to 1912 and is therefore often referred as Nernst heat theorem. The third law of thermodynamics states that the entropy of a system at absolute zero temperature is known as third law of thermodynamics. Nernst heat theorem was formulated by this Walther Nernst early in the 20th century, and it was used in the development of third law of thermodynamics. This third law states regarding the property of closed system in thermodynamic equilibrium. The entropy of a system approaches a constant value as its temperature approaches absolute zero. That means the temperature of any all pure and perfectly crystalline homogeneous material or crystalline solid is zero at absolute zero temperature. The significance of Nernst heat theorem is that it was later used by Max Planck to give the third law of thermodynamics. This is the equation at limit of temperature absolute zero, then entropy of pure crystalline compound will be zero because there is no any randomness or disorderness of the molecules in the pure crystalline compound. Therefore, its entropy will be zero. Here we will stop. This is the last concept of our unit 2nd thermodynamics. इथं आपला सेकंड युनिट थर्मोडायनामिक हा संपलेला आहे. तर याच्यानंतर आपण पाहणार आहोत नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये द कन्सेप्ट ऑफ एंट्रॉपी. थँक यू.